What happens to my personal injury money after my case is settled? Here's a breakdown of how it works. You have your gross settlement, the total settlement amount that you negotiated with the at-fault party. You subtract out attorney's fees first. In our office, that is typically a third of the total settlement in personal injury cases. So you subtract out a third, you subtract out the attorney's costs, which is any money they spent on the file. That can be things for like gathering medical records, expert fees, any money they spent on the case. Subtract that out to reimburse them for their costs. Then after the attorney's fees and costs come the subrogated lien amounts. That includes any health insurance payments for medical bills, any car insurance for payments for medical bills, any disability insurance payments for lost wages, any entity that paid towards your damages while the case was pending that has a right to be reimbursed for what they paid. We would figure that out for you. We would also negotiate with them in terms of how much they're actually getting back out of what they paid to hopefully get a discount and decrease that amount that's coming out of your settlement. So that's the subrogated entities, and then potentially medical bills that are outstanding, assuming that you do owe them out of your settlement. You don't always, depends on the facility, depends on the type of care, depends on what was done. But often our clients direct us to pay those bills out of the settlement, and we sometimes will try to get those negotiated down as well, depending on the circumstances. And then whatever's left over after all of those subtractions, that is the client's net settlement. So that's how it works.